Here at this commercial property, both an old Trane and an old GE heat pump are running. Inside the Trane, GE. See right here, it's GE on the GE one, and on the Trane, it says Trane Elite Weathertron heat pump. The tab panel, I believe it's model number, it says BWC 02. Serial number, because you can't really make up, yeah, it's the serial number, why you sure it's the model number, but the serial number is 266060814. Not sure what any of that means. Don't see anything that looks like a name manufacturer on here, so I can't tell about anything, although it looks like it has a 1.5 horsepower motor somewhere in it. But there's no damn manufacturer as far as I can tell, and the tab panel on the Trane's completely faded. So yeah, the GE Weathertron heat pump and the Trane Elite Weathertron heat pump are both running. The GE just shut down. Let's look inside the spinning fan. Alright, so the Trane Elite Weathertron heat pump is currently running, and the GE Weathertron heat pump has just shut down. Over and out.